Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to transfer data between your PlayStation 4 and your PlayStation 5 using an Ethernet cord just like this. So let's go ahead, jump the video right now. So it's very easy to quickly transfer data between your PlayStation 4 and your PlayStation 5 using an Ethernet cable or a LAN cable just like this. Now first you have to connect it to your PlayStation 4 and then connect the other end to your PlayStation 5. So let's go over here and connect it just like this. Now you have both your consoles connected with an Ethernet cord. You still have to be connected to the same network or Wi-Fi. So now that we have the cord plugged in, we obviously are not connected. So we have to go to the network options on both our PlayStation 4 and our PlayStation 5 and log into the same Wi-Fi connection. So let's go to Setup Internet Connection right here and use Wi-Fi and go to Yes. Then go through the setup process right here. I'm going to go to my Wi-Fi right here, Mr. Beast, and select that option. And I'm going to have to do this on my PlayStation 5 at the same time here. So let's go to Settings, go down to Network, and then choose this, and then set up a new connection. So let's go to here, and then go to Mr. Beast, or Miss Beast. I have a 5G connection and a 2G connection. The 5G connection is going to be quicker than your 2G connection, so I suggest selecting that. You can find out if it's 2G or 5G by going to Options on it and go to Wi-Fi frequency bands. And I only have 5G connected over here, so that's all I see. So 2G will be X'd out. Otherwise it may say like 2G or 5G at the end of it. So now that I'm connected to the Wi-Fi on both of these, I should be good to go. So you have to be signed in with the same profile. So I'm signed in with Timbo Slicin, YourSixStudios over here. And then on my PlayStation 4, I'm on the same account. So you have to remember the email address and password to log in with your account on the PlayStation 5. Alright, so the same account is here. Now on your PlayStation 5, go to Settings, select this, and then scroll on down to System, go to System Software, then go on down to Data Transfer, and select that option right there, and follow the on-screen instructions. It says transfer data from your PS4. Transfer data from your PS4 to your PS5. You can transfer only your own data. You can't transfer other users' data. Transferring data won't remove it from your PS4. Data stored in USB extended storage won't be transferred. So let's go to Continue. And then it says Prepare for data transfer. Make sure your PS4 is turned on and both your PS4 and PS5 are connected to the same network. To complete the transfer faster, use a wired LAN cable. So I got that connected right there. So let's go to Continue now. And searching for your PS4. So it's searching for it over the network. And we should be connecting here. It says, prepare for data transfer. Within the time limit, press the power button on your PS4 for 1 second until it beeps. Alright, so we got 5 minutes to do this. So here's my PlayStation 4. The power button is the top button. Go ahead and press it down for 1 second. So I heard a beep. And I believe it's just going to put it into like rest mode, but then it goes into like a data transfer screen. So it says prepare for data transfer, please wait. My PlayStation 4 is kind of like restarting, and this process can take a little bit of time to connect the two devices to the point where you can actually start transferring stuff over. So just give it a little bit of time. So now PlayStation 4 says data transfer to another console on the top. Alright, so on my PlayStation 5 now it says trophy information is in sync with PlayStation Network. After the transfer is complete, it's recommended that you sync your trophies with your PlayStation Network. To do this, go to the home screen on your PS4 and select Trophies. So let's go to Continue now. Now we can select the saved data. Now you can just go to Select All and just select everything. And the ones that are grayed out are the ones that are already synced on your PlayStation 5, so you do not need to transfer those. So just scroll through this list and just make sure you grab any kind of saved data on here that isn't transferred to your PS5 already. So I got Deep Rock Galactic and Vanguard. So let's go to next. And then it says games and apps will be transferred to your PS5 console storage. If you want to store your games and apps in your M.2 SSD storage, move them there after the data transfer is complete. Okay? So here are all my available games to transfer to my PS5. So the ones that are grayed out already are on my PS5, so I don't need to transfer those. So let's transfer one game. How about I choose Resogun? That's a fun game. And maybe let's go ahead and do Trials Fusion. So that's about 11 gigabytes. We'll see about the amount of time it takes to transfer 11 gigabytes. So now let's go to next and select that. So here's the estimated time for my save data transfer, about 1 minute. And then for step 2, transfer games and apps after restart. Looks like transferring my games will also take about 1 minute. We'll see how accurate that is. So let's go to transfer data. So let's start it. And it's going pretty fast right now. After your PS5 restarts, the data transfer will continue in the background. Note the following until the background data transfers is complete. So don't disconnect your PlayStation 5 from your PS4 or from the network, and don't turn any of them off. So my PlayStation 4 is restarting right now. It says my LAN cable is connected in the upper right corner. Data transfer to another console. My PlayStation 4 is now transferring the data, and my PS5 is now restarting. So I'm still transferring data on my PlayStation 4, but I'm logged in on my PlayStation 5, and I believe I'm still downloading the data. So let's press the PlayStation button, turn on my controller, and then bring open the quick menu here. And I believe if I go to downloads, I should see something transferring. Alright, so I see Deep Rock Galactic, I see a bunch of stuff under here, and data transfer is right on top. So if I have a bunch of stuff I need to transfer, I can literally play my PlayStation 5 while my PS4 is still transferring the data. So let's say you're transferring over the Wi-Fi and it's a little bit slower. Well, you can do this overnight and just wake up in the morning and everything will be transferred. So over a LAN cable, this is obviously going to be pretty quick, and for maybe like 11 gigabytes, I'm looking at about maybe 3 or 4 minutes to transfer everything. So if you have a bunch of game files, maybe like 200, 300 gigabytes, you're looking at maybe an hour and a half to transfer everything. So just be prepared. But the cool thing is you can play your games while you're still transferring the data. If this video did indeed help you guys out, make sure you hit the like button and leave it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos related to the PlayStation coming up next on YourSixStudios.